Hi everybody, down here again. Just want to come up with another video. This time what I got here is some antique hardware that goes to doors. And I figured I'd try to put some of these on eBay because some of this old stuff on hardware sells pretty good depending on the rarity of it and design. But as you can see, I got door plates here. Some of them are brass and other different metals. And got some various doorknobs, porcelain and black, some on brass. And I noticed the doorknobs that do pretty good on eBay are the ones that are very ornate, especially the brass ones. But it's just a variety here that I want to show and let everybody see. And if you're interested in any of these, everybody that looks at my videos are welcome to go to my store and check them out. My eBay store is usually on my link on below on the description. But just thought I'd show. Yeah, I gathered these here for a box lot, $20. And I'm hoping I do okay on it. I'm hoping I at least break even, but I'm sure I will. Like I said, the ones that sell pretty good are the ones that are brass, that are really ornate. Okay. Well, thanks for viewing. Anybody interested, just get back with me.